Hi guys, we are back with our 5 Tips Friday, and today's topic is how to make your balcony look interesting.
Most of us, just use the balcony as the dumping place. You either hang your clothes there, you dry your clothes there, or you just dump your stuff that you do not use in the balcony. So instead of doing that, we'll give you tips on how to make the balcony look much more interesting and lively. My first tip today would be on how you could use the plants in the balcony. Yeah, so you can use a lot of planters. You can have planters on the floor, you can have planters on the railings, or you can even have hanging planters. Yeah, so if you follow a theme, that will be even more better. Like say you're following an antique or plastic theme.
Yeah.
Say these old buckets, the steel buckets, you can just hang them on top
Without even painting it.
Exactly,
Yeah.
it will look very rustic. You can just hang them on top and you can have the planters, plants coming in out of that. That look amazing.
So the tip 2 would be comfy and stylish seating arrangement in your balcony. Now most of you would go on calls and stuff to the balcony, or maybe in the morning while sipping coffee, or maybe reading newspaper in the morning. You have to have a place to sit in your balcony. So what you can do is maybe at one side if you have plants, the other side you can just get some milk crates, the milk cartons, milk crates, and then you can just
Put a cushion on top of
yeah.
that.
No, put like a lot of milk crates and then put a cushion on top. And trust me, that will look very nice and funky.
Or you can just put a bench, a ledge in one corner. That will also look very nice. The next tip is designing the space. So when we tell you about planters, when we tell you about seaters and all that, you just have to make sure that both of it together looks nice. Maybe in terms of color, or if you have a theme in mind, follow the theme. Don't go out of the theme. It will not look good.
Tip 4. So the tip 4 is how to use fabrics in your balcony. Now you must be thinking fabrics, rain, dust, all these things, but relax, don't worry. So fabrics, how you can use is you can actually cover your balcony with some blinds, maybe waterproof blinds, and then when you have a seater, you want to have a backrest with it, so you can have a nice cushion over there, and make sure that it's not green in color, because if you already have plants in your balcony, they're already green. So what goes?
It gets camouflage. So you can use something that is totally contrast.
Maybe blue or yellow or maybe red.
Right.
That will all look very nice. And
you can also consider having these bamboo facades or bamboo screens, in the balcony. They look very earthen and they actually go with the plants,
Plus you get your own privacy.
Right. They also protect you from the sun. Yes. If there is a lot of sunlight coming in. The next tip is pallet patio table. Yeah. So you can think of having a dinner or use it as a coffee place. So have a nice table and 2 chairs, 2 or 3 chairs. You can even consider having candlelight dinners over here. Yeah, that will actually save your money. Instead of spending your money in some restaurant, you can spend it at home. Plus, you have a lot of quality time to spend. You can spend all the time of your travel, your waiting time, all that in your home. Plus, it feels very homely, when you have such a setup at home. Like, you can go whenever you want, just sit there, have nice dinner, chillax your mind, come back. It feels very nice.
Yeah. And you know what? I can just hear a lot of people thanking me. They don't have to go to special restaurants and save their money. All you have to do is cook your own meal. Maggie will also do. And trust me, your spouse, whoever it is, small candle on the table, dinner on either sides. Trust me, it's not very cheesy, it's not very romantic. I'm not stupid or anything.
And guys, it can also actually resolve many fights, many misunderstandings. Just tell your girlfriend, come, we'll have a dinner, and it's done.
So I think that's all about how to make your balcony look interesting. I'm sure all of you will do it. And if you guys are doing it, please send us pictures.
We'd love to see it.
And if you have any questions regarding anything, throw us on the comments and subscribe.
Have a happy weekend.
Have a nice weekend. Bye.